Hi guys, Tommy from Ariston. Today we're making up some sausage rolls, all inside the MWA33B. This recipe is also applicable to any of the microwaves that have the Ariston dynamic crisp function. Let's get started by dicing up the onion. Now that we've got our onion cut up, all we have to do is add it to our mince. This is then followed by crushed garlic, 1 teaspoon, a bit of salt, some cracked pepper, dried Italian herbs, 3 tablespoons of barbecue sauce, and finally 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire. Now we incorporate it together. Now that the mince is all ready to go, let's start making our sausage rolls. First, grab your sheet of puff pastry, grab a small handful of the mince, just roll it out slightly, lay it at the bottom of your pastry, follow it up with a bit more mince until you get right to the end. And you don't want it too thick, so I'd say about 2 centimeters in diameter. And then roll. Now, you got to that point, grab your egg wash, brush along where it's going to fold over. Peel back the plastic and finish the roll, making sure you get it nice and tight. Just going to grab my knife and slice off the excess pastry. Then just pull it out, set it to a side. Now you've got to repeat this until you run out of either sausage mince or your pastry. Now that you've rolled all your sausage rolls, using all the mince, just cut them. I prefer to cut mine into about cocktail size, about yay big, and then I'll pop them straight on my crisping plate. When you're putting the sausage rolls on the crisping plate, just leave a little bit a gap between them. This will stop them from sticking together. Just grab your egg wash and just do a light amount of egg wash on top of your sausage rolls, just enough to coat. Repeat this for the rest of them. Then grab your sesame seeds, just lightly sprinkle over the top of them. Now that our sausage rolls are all ready to go, just going to pop them into the microwave. Now what you're going to do is just press the dynamic crisp button, change the time to 10 minutes, and off we go. Well, there you have it guys, beautiful crunchy sausage rolls in under 15 minutes. Don't wait up for me, just gonna have a couple, but I'll see you next time.